How to remove TurboTax Live. So first you want to go to the TurboTax website and sign in to your account. And from the left side panel, you want to expand the switch products category and click on downgrade option. Now from here, you want to select remove expert help and then press continue and confirm by clicking remove expert help. And if you don't see the downgrade option, you will need to click on clear and start over. And then click on I want to clear my tax data, and this will clear everything up and start you on basic, I think. And remember that you can remove the TurboTax Live or the Expert Assist only if you added it later and you haven't used it while filing. So if you've used the future already, you probably can't remove it. And that's pretty much it for this video. If you have any questions, leave them in the comments below and see you on the next one.